Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about XRP, just the local updates for Ripple. Let's dive in. Guys, once again, the global targets, my final take for XRP for this run, it's $4.82 and $7.27. It's a top. I don't think so. We even hit the $10. So you can have your own vision of the market. I just shared my own. So this is a FIB, what I track at in signs here. This one, you remember the targets, what I posted, and 27 block. And this is a global FIB. So it's a XRP USD crypto since XRP exists, right? June 13. So this was all-time high, drop 27 block. So take a look how this zone, here it was zone fixation. This is a monthly gap. Take a look. This is a historically zone of accumulation. So you can just accumulate Ripple every single cycle. So this one accumulation 42.20 cents. This is accumulation made somewhere 2 and retest. Last retest was here in June somewhere 4. This one 42.95, 20.93. Here was a signal to buy. So basically, if you use my custom record set, you could track it everything by yourself because we never seen the signal to buy previously on the weekly time frame on a history. It was so obvious to buy XRP. What to do now? Basically, we leave the huge monthly gap. This is what I don't like, but it's not necessary. So we should come back and close the gaps immediately, so we can. And I would like to see this one because we just sweep the high form deviation. I would like to see the impulse, some like accumulation impulse. And after that, we can drop and close the monthly gap. Maybe the bottom for XRP next cycle will be around 87 or 27 block again. It will be so ridiculous if we drop again inside 27 block because 3 cycles in a row, same accumulation zone, kind of weird. It's gonna looks like one big range. I have no idea. But yes, it's possible to see. So I don't think so. We'll drop now, close 50% of the gap, like $1.44, or with a week like $1.22. So I don't think so, but it's possible. So guys, it's possible. If June, August, we will close it, right? So anyway, it will be still okay potential for the upside. 482, maybe the $5. Maybe the $5 will be like a attractive number. The people love the attractive numbers. Weekly time frame. What do we saw? We saw the impulse, sell, new all-time high. We sweep it, retest it, drop it down. Confirmation to sell was in January somewhere 5. We drop from 320 to $1.61. Still not close the gap, so we can hide the gap. This one, and I don't think it was also the zone for fixation profit, 78.86. Got it. Technically, I don't think so. We will drop now to $1.44. So only some bad news again. Some maybe worse, some FUD maybe around, I don't know what, but something from media, not organic one. So let's be real. If we use the FIB local one, so let's hide this one. So if we use the impulse and the FIB, right? So what we can say? This is an impulse. This one. This is an impulse, correction, 38, impulse, 27 block, correction to 0.5. Basically, it's enough for correction. Now we hold the line at 38. So, of course, the patterns lovers, they can draw the channels, like this one. This is equilibrium. Now we should move like this one. Yes, possible. But I'm not a fan of channels because there can be the million variation. We can draw something like triangle, You can draw whatever you want, whatever you see on the chart, but the main target is, we have to deliver the price in the right moment, in the right time, when the market maker decide to deliver it. So that's the point, guys. And we need to work with the risk ratio. Is it okay for you accumulate now XRP? You can accumulate. I skip the XRP. I don't want to wait the 100% just to profit for potential 100%. Ripple already pumped it. Let's say if it's just compare the cycles, guys. It's so important. Take a look. The March COVID dump. You remember, right? Boom. So last cycle, the XRP performed. So you remember the hype. You remember the hype. Around here, the people screaming $5, $10, $100 for XRP, $500 because of blah, 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 and all of this random numbers, guys. Random reasons. Now, with ETF, with no matter what good news they can introduce you, we will stop in the right time. That's why here we pump at only 1000% gains. And if we delete this one, so the VIB global targets, magic, right? 1,500. So with a week, yes, it can be like here. Maybe we're gonna pass the $5, right? And here at where that 85. So at $5.19, we're gonna stop it. Maybe, but they will tell us no, we go to $10 and all of this stuff, guys. So just in case, we still get a potential for the upside. Impulse, correction, impulse. That's it. And the worst case scenario, guys, will be if it's a right shoulder, right? It's going to be just a worst case scenario. Something like this one, then drop, bounce, everybody talk. No, $10 and crash. And the size of that crash will be exactly 27 block again. It will be so crazy. All right, it's just my personal thoughts about XRP. I'm not a fan of XRP and I'm not hate XRP. So just guys, I share with you my vision. So trade on, I showed you money power market smooth. Here was signal to money inflow buy. Let's hide the trade on money inflow signals for accumulation. Here's the money outflow. Not exactly at the top. This is a smart guys how they trade. RSI bears the awareness drop. Here's a totally free, and now it's a trill. So for the last impulse up, we get the room again. So it's okay. It's okay. But this is definitely not a time to all in XRP. Direction and take profit. ADZ I can't show you because it's a global chart. Here, this is accumulation weekly. This is accumulation pump. Here's a distribution. 1 signal, 2 be ready to out of the token. Here's the out. So simple. Daily. Here's a out, fix the profit. Now nothing. So we in the middle. That's why if the XRP will drop, it can be the $1.44. So it will be around like 23 level by FIB and the 50% of the gap, monthly one. Will be logical entry. Now we're like closer to distribution zone. Got it. Take profit indicator, guys. Take a look. The weekly. We trade way over exit line. You can open the charts of ICP, the Jasmy, Solana, I guess. On many tokens after the pump, we landed back to the buy line target. I hope we will not drop to the buy line for XRP because imagine if the XRP will be at 81 cents, where will be other altcoins? All right, so now I think most likely we can test the exit line about $1.80, take profit line above $1.59 with a weak candle of $1.44 and continue rally higher. So something like this one. So this is a possible target, and sooner or later, anyway, we will drop to test the buy line. Where till that time will be the buy line, it's hard to say. Daily time frame, guys. We already tested the buy line on the daily. Weekly, more important. Here, take profit now, $2.92. Buy line, $1.47. With a weak candle, yes, it can be the $1.44. We get still 2 months of this summer. So it can be the chop, right? Even by Wyckoff, it can be the spring, this drop. And for the value, it's $1.10. 12 time frame, guys. This is it. $1.51 buy line, take profit. Fundamental value $1.13, take profit. $3 exit line, $3.40. Monthly, also what I don't like. Monthly, guys, take exit line 98 cents. Fundamental take profit 87. Fundamental value it's 44. And buy line 44, and for the value it's 35. So I hope we'll see the continuation. and we need to see the BTC dominance under 50%. So the alts performed. So most positive case scenario, if we drop based on some news again, $1.80. Hold the line and continue rally higher. If you want to accumulate XRP now based on your trading strategy, trading investment plan, you follow your plan. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. If you want to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.